That's a gyro. It might be a smash gyro, but it's a gyro. To make our gyro meat mixture, we're going to need a half of an onion that's been cubed. We'll get that in there, along with 2 garlic cloves. Process that in a food processor till it gets really finely chopped. Now I'm going to add a pound of ground lamb. Get that in there. So to our 1 pound of ground lamb, we're going to add a half a tablespoon of marjoram, a half a tablespoon of rosemary, a half a teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, black pepper. Okay. Now what we're going to want to do is process it until the meat mixture gets really smooth. Okay, now your meat should look real pasty, nice and finely shredded. And now we're going to take that and form that into balls. All right, you should end up with 5 gyro meatballs. We're going to wrap those with plastic and put them in the fridge to cool off, or you can freeze them for later. Take one of our gyro balls, pop it on there, and we're going to smash it down. We want to get all the way, even past there is fine. All right, we got that gyro meat smashed on the grill here. Yeah. And I'm telling you, it smells really good. It smells a lot like gyro meat. But I'm cooking it at about 275 degrees, nice and slow, so we can get it cooked all the way through there. You know, don't want to try and get it too fast, and you know, where it burns the outside and not cooked in the middle. So low and slow. Well, it looks like it's pretty well cooked through there, and I'm gonna do a little flipped over there, and just let it warm up that bread a little bit on the other side for a second, not too long. All right, get this over, put it on my plate. Got myself some condiments ready. Put a little lettuce on there, red onion, some tomatoes. Now, tzatziki sauce. Now you know, you could make it if you want to, but for all the work and everything, why not just buy it at your local deli? Now we'll put a couple tablespoons of tzatziki on there. Yeah, I like that stuff. Bet you guys do too. Oh God. Dang. Yeah. Who knows? Maybe this will be the next big thing on going through the internet, you know, the Smash Gyro. Well, I'm gonna finish this, and hope you guys like the idea. Hope you guys try it. Take care.